Dear viewers, in today's lecture, we will talk about the 11 most useful new shortcuts in Windows 11. If you are a Windows 11 user, then all these shortcuts will be extremely useful for you. The first shortcut we will learn is Win++. That is, if you want to use the magnifier and zoom in, you can use this command. In Windows 11, whether you have a browser open or any program open, if you want to zoom in on it, you need to press the Windows button on your keyboard and then press the plus sign. As soon as you press the plus sign, the magnifier panel will open, and if you keep pressing plus, you can zoom in and out. And if you press Windows minus, you can also zoom out. The second command we are going to learn is about Win plus Tab. When you use Windows and Tab together, all the programs you have open will be displayed here. Now, whichever program you want to view, just click on it and that program will come up for you. That is, you will use Windows and Tab. All the programs will open up. For example, if I want to go to the browser, I just click here and it will open, and you can use Windows and Tab. If I want to go here or to any other program, we can do it very easily by using Windows and Tab. And at number 3, we'll talk about this. If you have opened any browser and accidentally closed the tab and later realized that the tab was very important, how do you reopen it? For this, you need to press Ctrl here. Press Shift and then press T and it will reopen. See, as soon as I closed it, now as soon as I press Ctrl, Shift and T, it will reopen. In this way, if any tabs are accidentally closed, you can use this command to open them again. And at number 4, we'll talk about scrolling. For example, here I have a website open, and if we want to scroll to the top without using the mouse, you need to press Shift and then press the space bar. As you keep pressing the space bar along with Shift repeatedly, it will keep scrolling for you. And at number 5, we'll talk about recording copies, that is, about the clipboard. How, when you copy any data, you want Windows 11 to keep a record of it for you. For example, here we have selected this data. Like this, I have selected it. After selecting it, I copied it by right-clicking and choosing copy. Now, after copying, this record will remain in our clipboard. Now, first, I selected this data as well, and after selecting it, I right-clicked and copied it. After copying, now I want to paste that record somewhere. For example, if I want to paste it in Word, what do I need to do for that? You have to press Windows and V. As soon as I press Windows and V, the clipboard will open up here for you. All the data that I copied, you can see it here in front of me. As soon as I clicked, you can see that the same data has been pasted here for me. In this way, you can easily copy and paste all records here. And at number 6, we will talk about emojis. For example, suppose I want to insert an emoji here, then for that, you will press the Windows button and the dot, and emojis will open up in front of you. So here you have a lot of emojis available. Just click here. Whatever emojis you need, you can easily add them here. If you want, you can also search here. And at number 7, we will talk about settings, how to open its important settings here. If it's Windows 11, then you just need to press Windows and I on your keyboard and all its settings will open up here for you. For example, there's the display setting, sound, notifications, focus, power. So all the most important commands will be shown here for you by pressing Windows and I. After that, at number 8, we'll talk about how to show the important commands in the start menu. So for example, if we press Windows plus X, you'll see that all its important commands open up in front of you. There's apps and features, power options, event viewer, system, device manager. Apart from that, there's task manager, search, run, shutdown options, desktop. So all the important commands of the start menu are opening up here for you by pressing Windows and X. And at number 9, we'll talk about print screen. If you want to take a print screen in Windows 11 and keep a record of it, you need to press Alt on your keyboard and then press print screen. When you press Alt and print screen, the current screen will be copied and saved to the Windows clipboard. When we press Windows and V, you'll see the print screen option appear here. And as soon as you click on it or anywhere else you need it, it will be pasted right there. And at number 10, we'll talk about screen recording. Windows 11 has an amazing feature for screen recording. Whenever you press Windows, Alt, and R, your screen recording will start right there. So, when you press Windows, Alt, and R, as soon as you press Windows and Alt, you'll see on the right side that your screen recording has started. Now, whatever work we do alongside, it will keep getting recorded here. If you want, you can also turn on the mic from here. So for now, as soon as we click on stop, your video recording has been saved. Now you need to press Windows and E on your keyboard so that Windows Explorer opens up. After that, you have to go to the videos folder here. Go to captures, and the recording we just made is right here. As soon as you double click, you'll see that the same video is now playing here. So in this way, you can easily do screen recording here as well. And after that, at the last number 11, we will talk about voice recording in this. For voice recording, this is the key you need to press here. Here, I'll create a new file by pressing Ctrl and N. So if you want to do voice recording, for that you will press Windows and H because I already have a mic connected here. This command won't turn on, but as soon as you press Windows and H on your computer in Windows 11, as soon as you press Windows and H, this voice recording box will open in front of you. And then when you click here, if your computer has a mic connected, or if it's a laptop, or if your PC has a mic connected, then you just need to click here. Your recording will start here, and whatever you say will be written down simultaneously. So this was my lecture for today that I taught you about the 11 most important and useful shortcuts of Windows 11. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.